How to back up alarms to Samsung Cloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accounts and Backups. So you will see click on accounts and backup. So after click on accounts and backup, so click on backup data. So after click on backup data, so for example app is here, so turn on this app and click on backup now. So you will see backup data is clock data is backup. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can backup alarm on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.